I'm djTLM, and this is Share the Knowledge. Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy djTLM. You're checking out the Share the Knowledge podcast right here on iTunes, SoundCloud, and Anchor. And maybe you're checking out one of the video clips on YouTube. That's youtube.com/djTLMtv. This is my weekly podcast, educational podcast for DJs, where I answer questions that I receive on a weekly basis. And I'll also have a live stream on Facebook, and I'll be answering a couple of questions from there as well. So I received another question about requests, which is always fun. I did a video about requests on YouTube on my channel, which you should check out if you haven't seen that one yet. But the question here is, do you think you're considered a bad DJ if you don't want to take requests of music if you're playing or if you're DJing at a party? Now, no, I don't think so. I think every DJ has to decide for themselves if they want to take requests. Some DJs love it. Most DJs hate it. And yeah, I can totally understand why. Look, for some, they just don't want to be bothered during their set. They want to play. They came, they were hired to play, and they want to focus on their performance, and they don't want to have people up against the DJ booth in their face because it's a distraction. For other people, it is really more a question of principles. They feel like they're the ones that were hired because of their skill and what they're capable of doing. They don't want to hear your opinion when it comes to what needs to be played. Some people, like I said, love it because they just want to please the people any way they can. They feel it's a form of interaction, which of course it is. And I have to say, in certain situations, requests can help out. I've been to parties where it was pretty unclear what the crowd liked. I tried all sorts of music. Nothing seemed to work. And then I started to get some requests. And those were tracks that I was definitely not thinking of. And with some of the requests, I was even like, really? And I played those tracks. And that seemed to be what the people were into. So actually at that party, the requests saved my performance. But on a lot of occasions, I'm playing at a party where there's a specific theme, specific music that's supposed to be played. And I already know that a lot of the people are going to ask the standard, I don't want to say corny because a lot of tracks I do like, but the standard hits, tracks that you're already going to play. So that makes no sense to me. I'm already going to play them. And then you have people who are only thinking about their own personal preference, and they're asking songs that just don't fit into what you're playing. And I'm not going to play those songs because they would ruin my vibe just because they want to hear that song. As a DJ, you're there to rock the crowd, please the crowd, but you're not a jukebox. And that's what I feel when some people tell me they hate requests. It makes them feel like they're a jukebox. Hey, play this. Okay. I mean, that's not a DJ, that's a jukebox. So I can see all the pros and cons, and I can totally understand everyone's feeling when it comes to this, everyone's opinion. But no, I definitely say no when the question is, are you a bad DJ if you don't take requests? No, you're not.